Hey guys, it's TechyTish here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 free Azure DevOps courses and I'm going to be showing you in 5 minutes. The first one is going to be an Azure DevOps tutorial which was gained at beginners. So this one covers a wide range of things, and let me just go through that with you briefly. So you can see that it starts you off in Azure DevOps. It talks about Azure repos. It talks about what are Azure artifacts. You get a bit of a hands-on experience and just a bit of an overview and understanding of what Azure DevOps is. You've got a bit of hands-on with CI and CD pipelines, so automating that process of deploying an app project. So I would recommend this as the first starting point if you're absolutely new to Azure and you want to understand a bit more about DevOps as the platform itself. The next course is all about Azure DevOps CI/CD pipelines. The reason why I've specified and picked this is because you would gain an overview and a clearer and an in-depth understanding of what CI/CD is all about and how to build pipelines to do the continuous integration and the continuous deployment. And all of this again is in DevOps, so it's all to do with Azure and it's all to do with DevOps. And this one's only an hour, so this should be quick and easy to sort of pick up once you've finished the previous tutorial. The third one is Pulumi. Now, the reason why I've picked Pulumi over Terraform, there are some courses on using Terraform with Azure DevOps, but I thought it'd be better if we actually widen, sort of open the playing field a bit, and I use Pulumi. So with Pulumi, you can deploy infrastructure as code, but instead of using a language like Terraform, you can actually use TypeScript languages. So you can use Python, C#, Go. You can use those languages to actually write out your deployment. So if you want to, for example, deploy a virtual machine in Azure, instead of using Terraform and learning a whole new language, you can use a language that you may already be learning, such as Python or Go, and you can use the libraries in, you can use a lot of things just to deploy that infrastructure, and it is a TypeScript language, so that will help you understand things a lot more. The next course is the big one really, and this is Azure Kubernetes service. And what you want really is to understand Azure DevOps from a beginner's perspective and understand the fundamentals. Then you want to learn about the infrastructure and the pipelines, and then you want to learn about your containerization. So really, this course is going to show you what it's all about, what Kubernetes is all about, and how to containerize those apps that you want to deploy in Azure. Then once you've done those courses, I would recommend starting the Azure sort of DevOps certification. And to start this off, you want to get the Azure Fundamental certification. There's a free course online so that you can get that. So if you would obviously have to pay for the exam, but you might be able to get that through work. So if you look at this video, it's going to go through apps absolutely everything. So you can see that it goes through the cloud concepts, the evolution of compute, global infrastructure, getting started, technology overview, so all the different sort of tools and microservices that Azure offers, the management tools, any other sort of follow-up, so VNet resources, that kind of thing. Goes through security, billing and pricing, and that will cover you for the whole exam. So once you've done that video, you'll be ready to take the exam, and you'll be able to do some revision, take the exam. And on top of that, there's one more resource which kindly links into that, which is the official free sort of course it's free from Microsoft, and this is a way to go through those concepts, but reading it from a way Microsoft have delivered it, which will be helpful. The reason I've put this last before the actual video is because once you've gone through the video, it's going to be more interactive because someone's presenting it to you. You can then go on and look at this, and that'll be all good. So if you have any questions, let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.